Okay, last thing I want to just show you really quickly is how to do number 7. So it says if temperature of a fixed amount of gas is doubled at constant volume, what happens to the pressure? So what it's asking you about is the temperature and pressure graph. And maybe you remember it and maybe you don't remember it. So if you don't remember what the graph looks like, that's okay. You have this formula. It's asking you about temperature and volume, at constant volume. So I'm going to cross out volume. So I'm going to have P1 over T1 is P2 over T2. And what I'm going to do is just pick some easy numbers. So let's just pick 10 for pressure and 100 for temperature. That's my starting numbers. And it says if the temperature is doubled, okay, what happens to the pressure? Okay, so solve it. So 10 times 200 equals 100 times P2, divide both sides by 100. So that's, which is 20. So what happened to the pressure? Well, it started at 10 and it went to 20. So it doubled. So the answer to this question is the pressure doubles. So if the temperature doubles, well, it turns out the pressure doubles. The graph looks like this. Okay, but again, if you didn't remember this, you can just plug in some numbers to get your answer.